What's up, Michael Jordan collectors? So we have a confirmed sale of a BGS 9.5 that had quad 9.5 subs that sold last night for $120,000. It was from the PWCC vault. So Card Gems here. Welcome to my channel. This is today's January 27th Michael Jordan rookie card market report. All right, let's dig into this PSA population report. Yesterday we had 18,363. Today we have 18,369. So we have 6 new additions. We still have 316 PSA 10s, 2,762 9s, 7,728 8s. Now we have 2 new 8s, we have a new 6, and we have 3 new 5s. BGS. Yesterday we had 11,569. There's been no change, no update. We still have 6 pristine 10s, 526 9.5s, 1,634 9s, 2,523 8.5s, and 2,033 8s. Checking SGC. Yesterday we had 2,141. Today we have 2,143. So we have 2 new additions. We have one 6.5 and one 2.5. All right, checking golden auctions. We have these 2 PSA 10 Michael Jordan rookie cards. They are up to $240,000 each with 3 days left. We also have this BGS 9.5. Has a 9 on the centering. It's up to $61,000. 3 days left. We also have 2 PSA 9s that are each up to $42,000. And here's 2 more. One's up to $42,000 and one is up to $39,000. So we got 3 total that are at $42,000. Here's a BGS 9. It's up to $19,000. Here we got a 8.5 BGS. It's up to $14,000. And we have 2 PSA 8s that are up to $14,000 each. All right, checking our favorite website, Cardladder.com. PSA 8 last sold for $14,500. So that's a little bit of a dip. Came down from the high of 15,500, but the overall trend is going up and it's been averaging about 15,000. BGS 8 last sold for 14,966. This is a new record. So this sold last night. Look at this trend line. It's going straight up. Prior to that, it has sold for 12,162 on the 24th. And prior to that, it had sold for 8,962 on the 10th. So if we go all the way back here to the 7th, it sold for 7,900. So it has doubled since the 7th. BGS 8.5 last sold for 15,400. And that was on the 24th. Here again, we got some up and downs, but it's averaging out around 15,000. We got a new record sell, $30,000. This is brand new. This just happened on the 26th. Wow. So the last sale we had was for 25,000 back on the 22nd. So in 4 days, it has already jumped $8,000. This is just incredible. PSA 9 last sold for 52,500. This is incredible for a card that has a pop of 2,762. So here it is on the 26th. On the 25th, it sold for 54,000. And on the 24th, it sold for 59,000. That was the high. So it's consistently selling in the $50,000 range, almost $60,000 range. And we have like a handful of these that are going to end in the next few days on PWCC and Probe Steam. So it's going to be interesting to watch this. And all of those sales may end up breaking the 60K mark. BGS 9 last sold for $34,999. So look at this trend line. This thing is doing really well. These two dips right here, here's 21,900 and this one 25,000. Those are probably like lower subs on the subgrades, and this is probably a high end. This probably had like 9.5 subs on it. That sold for 29,000, but we're all the way up here at 34,999. So you know, this thing is trending up towards 40K. BGS 9.5 last sold for $120,000. This thing is becoming a monster. It has a population of 526. But this one that sold, it had quad 9.5 subgrades, so it was a high end. Sold yesterday, last night at 9 p.m. Prior to that, we had this sell for 76,000 on the 24th, and that was a low end. That had a 9 subgrade. So really the last high-end sell was back on the 30th of December for 92,600. So this card has jumped almost 40K. All right, PSA 10 last sold for 222,630. This has a pop of 316. This doesn't sell very often anymore. The sell was back on the 3rd. We have two PSA 10s that are on golden auction right now that are up to 240K each. And if you factor in the buyer's premium, if they ended today, would shatter this record. But they still have like 3.5 days left of bidding. All right, check-in recently ended. We have this BGS 8 that ended for $14,952. It sold for full price. Here we have a PSA 9. It was listed for $56,999, or best offer. Let's see what the best offer was. $52,500. Wow, this is an incredible price. Here we have a PSA 7. Sold for $11,854 bids. Here's a PSA 8. Sold for $15,450, 40 bids. Here's another PSA 8. It sold for $16,200, 61 bids. So this is higher than the last confirmed high sell, which is $15,500. Here we have a PSA 8. Sold for $18,000. Buy it now. So this is like top of the market. Here's another PSA 8. This is from the PWCC vault. It had it listed for $25,000, or best offer. Let's see what the best offer was. Wow, $20,000. So it was listed for $25,000, and they got a best offer $20,000. And this is PWCC, so this is probably legit. So we just need to wait and get this confirmed, and this would completely shatter the record price, which is $15,500. Wow. So check in newly listed. We have this PSA 8 for $18,499. Buy it now. Here's a PSA 7. It's $8,000, 26 bids already, and it was just listed. Here's a BGS 9. It's up to $10,500, 18 bids. Here's another PSA 7. It's already up to $7,550, 15 bids. Here's a new PSA 9 from PWCC. It's listed for $100,000, our best offer. So yeah, these cards are starting to become really big investment cards. Here's a BGS 7.5, 13,500, or best offer. Here we got a BGS 8.5. It comes with the complete set of PSA 9s. It's up to $15,150, 11 bids. This is a great find right here. This would be amazing to own. Here we got a BGS 8.5, 26,000, or best offer. So checking live auctions, we have this PSA 7 for $7,550, 15 bids. Here's another PSA 7. It's up to 7,800 with 24 bids, 6 days left. Here's another PSA 7. It's up to 8,850, 39 bids, 3 days left. So these PSA 7s, they're cracking 5 digits now. These cards are starting to become big investment cards as well. And here we have a PSA 8 with the off-center qualifier. $9,000, has 1 bid, 3 days left. There's another PSA 7. It's up to 9,195. 10 bids, 4 days left. There's a PSA 8. It's up to 9,826 bids, 3 days left. There's a BGS 8.5. It's up to 10,100. 13 bids, 3 days left. Here's a BGS 9. It's up to 10,500. 18 bids, 4 days left. This is a newly listed card. Here's a BGS 8.5. It's up to 11,100. 59 bids, 4 days left. Here's a BGS 8. It's up to 11,400. 32 bids, 4 days left. We just had a new record price for this, around 14,000. PSA 8. It's up to 12,300. 39 bids, 4 days left. Here's another one. 12,401. 25 bids, 4 days left. And here's a 7.5 BGS. It's up to 12,500. 1 bid, 5 days left. Here's a PSA 8. It's up to 12,931. 21 bids, 3 days left. Here's another one. It's up to 13,100. 22 bids, 2 days left. Here's another PSA 8. It's up to 13,200. 74 bids, 3 days left. And here's another PSA 8. It's up to 14,100. 36 bids, 3 days left. Here's a BGS 8.5. It's up to 15,288. 30 bids, 2 days left. So this will be interesting right here. This might end up being a new record. Here's an SGC 9. It's up to 15,600. 22 bids, 4 days left. The record price for this is 17,500. So this is going to be an interesting watch. Here's a PSA 8. It's up to 17,433. 20 bids. So this is already way above the record price. And it still has 5 days left. Here's a BGS 9. It's up to 18,800. 59 bids. 2 days left. Here's another BGS 9. It's up to 20,100. 43 bids. Still has 7 days left on this one. So we know that the record price is around 35,000. Here's a PSA 9. It's up to 34,625. 59 bids, 4 days left. Here's another one. It's up to 35,000. 52 bids, 4 days left. And here's one more. It's up to 35,142 bids, 4 days left. Here's another PSA 9. It's up to 38,200. 85 bids. This one only has 1 day left. And here's a PSA 9. It's up to 39,100. 37 bids. 3 days left. And look at this PSA 9. It's up to 46,900 with 30 bids. Still has a day and a half left. So this will be interesting. And here's another one. PSA 9. 48,100. 59 bids. This one has 2 days left and 9 hours. This is PWCC. Wow. And here's a SGC 9.5. It just keeps shattering the record. This is up to 52,100, 41 bids, 4 days left. The record price was 37,500. So this thing is really getting some respect now as a gem mint. All right, checking on our high ends, the BGS 9.5s and above. We have the pair here. We have the BGS 9.5 and the BGS 9.5 sticker. So 174,000 our best offer. Here's another BGS 9.5 for 175,000 our best offer. So he raised his prices. He has a 9 on the centering on this one. Here we have another BGS 9.5, 200,000 our best offer. This one has a 10 on the surface. Here's another BGS 9.5 for 200,000 best offer. And this one has a 10 on the corners. So razor sharp corners there. There's another BGS 9.5, 200,000 our best offer. This one has a 9 on the surface. There's another BGS 9.5, $250,000, buy it now. So he raised his prices. He has a 9 on the surface. There's another BGS 9.5. Here's a pair. $255,634. So he really raised his prices, but he's accepting offers. So this one has a 9 on the edges and this one has a 9 on the corners. So PSA 10, we still have this one for $349,000. Buy it now. 156 watchers. And we got this one that's in the PWCC vault for $750,000. Our best offer, 573 watchers. And we still have those two at golden auction that are up to $240,000 with 3 days left. All right, in summary, PSA 10s, highest record price, confirmed price is $222,630. We currently have 2 on auction at golden auctions that are up to $240,000. BGS 9.5, high end, quad 9.5s are above. The record selling price is $120,000. This is a new record price that just happened last night. We currently do not have one on live auction. BGS 9.5 low ends, which means there's a 9 on the sub. The record price is $76,626. We currently have one up on auction at golden auctions for $61,000. That one has a 9 on the centering. SGC 9.5, the record price $37,500. We currently have one up to $51,100 on eBay. PSA 9, the record price $59,474. We currently have one up on auction at $48,100. BGS 9, the record price $34,999, so basically $35K. We have one up on auction right now that's $20,100. SGC 9, the record price is $17,500. We have one up on auction right now at $15,600. PSA 8.5, record price $30,000. This is a new confirmed record price. We currently do not have one on live auction. BGS 8.5, the record price $17,000. We have one up on auction right now for $14,000. SGC 8.5, record price $10,555. We do not have one on auction. PSA 8, the record price, confirmed price is $15,500. Even though we've had several huge auction ends, like one for $20,000, but that has not been confirmed yet. But we do have one on live auction that's up to $17,433. BGS 8, record price $14,966. We have one up on auction for $11,400. SGC 8, the record price is $7,999. We do not have one on auction. BGS 7.5, the record price is $11,500. We currently have one that's up to $12,500 on auction. The PSA 7s, the record price is $12,075. We currently have one up on auction for $9,195. PSA 6, record price is $7,000. We currently have one that's above that at $7,700. All right, so Michael Jordan collectors, this was my market report for today. I hope you found this video helpful. And I would just like to take a second and thank all of my subscribers for your support. And if you guys have any suggestions or maybe things that I can do better or things that you want to see, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And for you guys that have not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you in the next Michael Jordan Rookie Card Market Report.